Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Physio's Healing Touch. So in this video, I will show you mat exercises. But if you want a detailed information about mat exercises, then you can watch my previous videos. I will link those videos so that you can watch them later. So now let's start the video. First is rolling from supine to prone line. In this, we have to flex the patient arm completely towards the side where we are rolling the patient. Flex and rotate the head of the patient, and then the other arm, we will flex and adduct the other arm of the patient. And in lower limbs, we have to flex and adduct the lower limbs. And then we can either do log rolling or segmental rolling. In segmental rolling, first we will rotate the lower portion of the patient and then the upper portion of the patient. Now rolling patient from prone to supine line. In this, flex the patient's knee and then externally rotate. When you will externally rotate, the pelvis will automatically lift and it will assist the prone to supine line. So externally rotate the hip and then move the pelvis into supine line. Perform segmental rotation. First the lower portion and then move the upper portion of the patient. To perform bridging, flex both the knees of the patient so that patient come in crook line position, and then move the pelvis of the patient upwards. Now prone on elbow position. For this, flex both the hands of the patient, then move the upper body of the patient upwards. For prone on hands, extend the elbow joint of both the upper limbs so that patient comes in prone on hands position. Now prone on elbow to side sitting. So for this, extend the elbow joint of one upper limb. In lower limb, you need to flex the hip and knee joint to acquire the side sitting. So side sitting is an intermediate position between lying and sitting position. So from side lying position, you can bring the patient in quadripod position easily. Like this, you have to lift the pelvis of the patient and the patient will come in quadripod position. From quadripod position, we can bring patient into kneel sitting, and from kneel sitting, we can bring patient on kneeling. For this, we have to put the hands of the patient on our shoulder for support and then lift the patient for kneeling. For half kneeling, bring one leg of the patient forward and then bring the patient into standing position.